Introducing the Dahlia Rhubarb and Custard class. This dahlia has to be a favourite of the collarette-type dahlias. It has pale peachy petals with a raspberry pink eye around the central disc and creamy white collar petals. Featuring just 8 main petals, it is a relatively quick sugar flower to make and would make a unique addition to any cake arrangement. As with all of my online classes, each stage of the process is broken down into easy to follow step-by-step videos, from making your own flower paste, forming the central disc, shaping realistic petals, making accompanying buds and leaves, dusting and assembling for a realistic finish. I have also included PDF cheat sheets and guides with links to the tools that I use, and you now have access to a class community where you can ask me any questions, connect with other students, or just share your beautiful creations. The class is also accessible from the Zenler app, so you can now access all of my classes and community from your mobile or tablet.